everyone, and welcome to my channel, QB Essence. I'm your host, Paul Ellis, and today's School of Training will be in direct relation to managing your digital currencies with a digital wallet. So we're going to look at downloading a digital wallet of selection known as Exodus, and then we're going to go forward from that to get it set up on your device or your computer so that you're able to operate from that and you're able to get any of your crypto assets that you should acquire, either from some sort of exchange or some sort of place where it's tradable, peer-to-peer platform. I have a video there that I'll link in the notes with direct relation to that. It's called Local Coin Swap. It's a simple and easy tutorial to go through with direct relation to managing and purchasing and acquiring your crypto assets. So without any further ado, if you like the content that I create, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Slap a like on that little ticker symbol, and be sure to press the bell notification so that you'll become aware of any new content that I create. And we'll continue going forward now. I'll just take you through the process of getting yourself set up with a digital wallet to be able to manage and secure your digital assets. Okay, terrific. Thank you. So as I was sharing, this is the actual Exodus wallet that you'll need to look up on the website. So we'll go ahead and we'll look at that. So first of all, what you need to do is you just need to type into your either your Chrome, Google browser, or your Bing search browser, the Exodus wallet. You just type that into the browser, and it will bring up the Exodus download button. So you can put in Exodus official website into that search criteria there, of course, and just go ahead and search for it, and it'll come up, and then you'll be able to go to the website where you can download the desktop or the mobile Exodus app. So when you click that link after you've done your search in the search pane, and it's come up, you'll be redirected to this website here, Exodus Crypto Wallet, and this is where you can learn about sending and receiving, exchanging cryptocurrency with ease on the world's leading desktop and mobile with hardware crypto wallets. So these wallets are basically known as a hot wallet. You can get a cold wallet, which is one that's disconnected from the internet, and it's where you actually store your cryptocurrencies in a greater element of security. But for starting out, for beginners, the Exodus wallet is an exceptional product, and it looks like they're actually starting a public offering, so they're looking to raise capital to do further expansion with regards to their back-end development in the systems. It's been noted that they're also starting to put some new apps into the system as well. So it's quite a very user-friendly type of application, the Exodus wallet itself, for managing those cryptocurrencies. There's over 130 cryptocurrencies that you're able to manage within this wallet. It has an in-house exchange facility, so you're able to trade in and out of different types of coins right inside the wallet itself. And it doesn't require any KYC, which is to know your customer and stuff like that. I think there's just a download of the actual wallet, and then the securing of your wallet with the 12-word seed phrase, mnemomics phrase. And then once that's all done, this is 100 plus here, but it's 125 on some. There's 130 on others. So there's so many, they're just adding more and more features to it each and every day. And they also have brought out now a mobile app for both Android and also for the iOS systems. So you're able to use it on your mobile phone as well. You can sync them up together, of course, with the desktop app. And so they will reflect exactly the same data that is being run from the blockchain through the internet. So exchange crypto, pretty good. Effortless hardware security, of course. So we'll just continue down this vein with regards to this product. So you've got desktop desktop control with the Exodus wallet. You've also got your crypto anywhere, anytime, and you've also got some really good stuff that you can sync together with your mobile applications. So you can download it from both the App Store for Apple and also the Google Play Store for Google for your mobile phone. And for your desktop, you can download it from the internet. You just click the download button, and it will of course take you to which version you want to actually download. And if in the event you're downloading a desktop or a mobile, you can go to the app stores, and the desktop, you just work out which one that you're going to look at downloading. So that's the latest version of the 21.212. So it's just a matter of clicking on that to download it, of course. It's a very excellent top-rated type of application. It's a secure way to manage and exchange your cryptocurrency with the mobile security of face or fingerprint scan. So you're even able to use your biometrics, that's what they call that, the face or fingerprint scanning for your mobile security when you're actually wanting to access and manage your cryptocurrency. So you have that option available for you to be able to go ahead, and as you can see, that says 125 plus cryptocurrency assets here. And when we actually scroll down to the page down the lower section there, you actually see that there's 130 of these assets that are actually listed in the list down here. We're getting there. It's 110, 127, and of course 130. That's with wrap Bitcoin at the end there, Brandon Curve, Serum, Aave, Sushi Swap, Golem. So yeah, there's quite a lot of different coins and different applications of those coins, of course. And so it's just beginning to learn about those things. But primarily for what we're wanting to deal in with the cryptocurrency side of things, with onboarding for the digital licensing, we'll be needing to get familiar with the interactions with Bitcoin and Ethereum, how to actually get it on the peer-to-peer network, which is the previous video that I actually created, and then how to actually get your cryptocurrencies of Bitcoin or Ethereum into your personal wallet, or how to get it paid forward to the digital licensing to secure the high yield investment program that's available with the royalty streams in those different 8 different digital licenses that are available to you as a person that's wanting to participate. So that's what we've got for you. So I'll just pull up there. So as I was mentioning earlier, this is an article that's been placed on Investopedia, and it just says that Exodus is the best wallet for beginners. The type of wallet is a hot wallet, as I had mentioned earlier. The purchase cost is free, of course. It's a compatible hardware wallet with the Trezor, which is a cold storage type wallet, and you're able to have your crypto assets fully secured with the 12-word seed phrase offline. And I think with cold storage wallets, it's actually a 24-word seed phrase for securing your crypto assets in that. It's an incorporated exchange within that wallet. We had discussed that. You're able to make in-wallet exchanges between different crypto assets. So in other words, you can exchange like Bitcoin for Ethereum, or Ethereum for Bitcoin, or Bitcoin for USDT, or USDT for Bitcoin, and so forth and so on. So Exodus is a desktop and a mobile wallet with a very simple user interface and an exchange built in. One of Exodus' most popular features is the ability to swap between a growing number of cryptocurrencies. Exodus currently allows for swaps between over 100 different cryptocurrencies. We just saw that there was actually 130, and they're probably adding to that on a regular basis. With its simplicity, this wallet is great for beginners just getting into the crypto space. It also has a great support, which is an essential feature for beginners getting into what many would consider a confusing market. Exodus has an option to set custom fees in addition to automatically setting a fee that ensures the transactions are completed quickly. So the Exodus wallet gives you the opportunity to be able to control your own wealth, secure and manage and exchange your blockchain assets all in one wallet. Now, as we can see, I'm inside the Exodus wallet, and you can see that there are Exodus apps that have been developed exclusively for Exodus users, help you control and secure your wealth. You've got a portfolio which tracks your details with regards to market movements, asset prices, and 24-hour price changes. And there's so much more with that. As you can see, there's some assets that are in my wallet itself, the Exodus wallet, and you can also see that it gives you a bit of a roundup as to what assets you hold and so forth going forward from there. And then you have the wallets as well. So within the wallets themselves, you see that you can have Bitcoin or Ethereum, different navigation pane up the top of the Exodus wallet. For the portfolio, actually going into the wallet which we're in now, that gives you all the different wallets that are available for where your crypto assets are held. And then also you've got the exchange where you can make exchanges. You just drop down menu and select the actual cryptocurrency you wish to exchange from, and the cryptocurrency that you wish to exchange to. So that's how that all works. And then of course, there is certain minimum amounts that can be exchanged from one to the other. And you have this bar here where you can select, all of that cryptocurrency, half, or the minimum amount. And so it gives you an idea of just exactly how much you're able to transfer as a minimum, because there is an exchange rate fee that will be charged when you actually transfer your crypto assets. So there's also the compound finance. Is where you can earn interest with your crypto, and your savings can grow daily. You're able to exchange into a currency stable coin known as DAI, and you can see that the variable rate for the average percentage yearly is 11.48%, which is much better than the banks. And we see that the actual cash rate that the Reserve Bank of Australia has released just recently is 0.01% interest on the accounts, which is not very good at all. But you can see that in the crypto space, the developers are building the technology to enable just both rules, logic, and code to actually make the decisions when it comes to those variables being met, and then the conditions that are set in place for these assets to accrue these percentages in return for them being locked up or fixed into a deposit, like they call it staking. So you can start earning straight away with that. You can just transfer your crypto assets into these if you've got it parked up as a form of savings or as a way of getting out of the actual system by exiting that system through Exodus, of course, and also the cryptocurrency financial system. And you're able to earn some very tidy rewards. And furthermore, with the Bitcoin and Ethereum that you're able to get into your Exodus wallet from off exchange, you're able to also place that in and park it up also to some passive income instruments known as Cubitech, and the digital licensing system with the high yield investment program that is operational there is a very profitable way for returns on your investments when you get the rights to be able to receive the royalties, portion of those royalties from the actual Cubitech platform and its strategy, its operational strategy for investing the funds that we actually park up there with the digital licensing. So thank you very much for that. And I'll just quickly go back to the license section where it shows us in the wallet. Sorry, I'll just quickly go to the wallet so that if in the event you need to actually transfer your or you need to receive. So when you're actually receiving, you'll be able to click on that link that I just clicked on just a second ago. say for instance, you want to receive Bitcoin into your wallet, you'll be able to click on the receive button, and up will come your address. This is your Bitcoin address. It's your what's known as your public key. And so you have two forms there. You have the actual public key identification there, where you can actually copy that, or you have your QR code where you can actually use your phone. When you're in your actual wallet application, when you want to send crypto to an address, and this is the receiving address, then you can click on the icon that shows the QR code, and you'll be able to access that function through your phone, and it'll immediately load up this address. This address here will get copied straight into the wallet application, and then the next process is just to send it on to the, put in the amounts and to send it on to the relevant person. Same is true also if you want to send crypto to someone, then you actually need to get their address, and you can either use two forms that you can use. You can use either the scan from your desktop or from your camera. Okay, so that could be for the QR code, or you can actually just copy and paste the code straight directly into here. So you might be working from your, when you're wanting to send this Bitcoin to the address that is for Cubitech, and when you want to purchase a digital license, the digital license will have one of those codes there, the address codes that you want to send your Bitcoin to or your Ethereum to. So you'll just need to enter those details into this address pane here. And then of course you can actually press the send button down the bottom there. The best way to do it is when you see the actual amount in Bitcoin. So for instance, the amount that is required for the payment of the actual digital license. If you just put in the exact same amount, you can see here that up the top it's in Bitcoin, and so you can actually just put in your Bitcoin amount, which may be one. It's not quite that. It might actually be 5. No, just say 2. So 2, and as you can see, $103.42 USD is 0.0022, and then you can actually press the send button. But as you can see, I don't have enough of that amount in my Bitcoin wallet, so it's letting me know that fee is more than the balance, and it won't allow me to send that. So that's everything that's covered off in there, and I might just give you an example of transferring that license. Let's say receive license, right? Let's say copy that. This is just for example. Say you've copied your license, your address from somewhere else, and you're wanting to send to this address. So then you just place that in there, paste. And as you can see, it's just paste. It says cannot send your own receiving address. That's fair enough. I was just showing you for an example, because you could be able to copy that off some other platform where it needs to be received into, and then you could actually send that. You could put in the amount and then send it to that address. Okay, this is the last thing that I needed to cover off with regards to the Exodus wallet. We needed to actually take a bit of a walkthrough with direct relation to setting up your 12-word seed phrase pass, so that you're able to, if in the event your device should be ruined or stolen or destroyed, as anything like that from fire or theft or whatever may happen, your assets are secure on the blockchain. You never actually hold the physical assets. They are stored and encrypted on the blockchain that is managed by the miners. And so we'll just go into we're in the Exodus wallet now. We're actually at the portfolio management side of it after you put your password in to be able to open up the application. I'm on my desktop at the moment. And so there's a settings pane on the actual tool menu bar. There's a settings pane there, and you've got these different areas that you can go through with selecting the assets that you want to have on readable or seen on your wallet. Some of them are automatically defaulted. Things like Bitcoin and the like are. And you've got the different apps that they're actually starting to build out. The devices, of course, for syncing and installing your Trezor bridge. That's your cold wallet storage. And then, of course, you've got the security where you can auto lock your wallet. Say, for instance, you have to walk away if you've got a knock at the door or something like that while you're working in your wallet. There's different settings that you can set it on. I've got mine set on 5 minutes, and I find that's adequate enough. It'll lock me out, and then I've got to enter the password. So with your backup, of course, you have your Exodus password that you can reset, and then of course you've got your seed recovery phrase. So in order to view that seed recovery phrase, we've got to be able to enter into that environment, which will require the password to be able to go ahead and do that. So I'll just do that real quick now. And as you can see, it actually opens up on that your secret phrase and that, and then of course the words that will come up when you actually hover over that, and so you have your 12-word seed phrase that become available. Okay, so that's all I've got to take you through today with your secret recovery phrase. And so just to finalize everything, the most important thing to do when it comes to your seed recovery phrase, you need to record it exactly as it is in the order that it is, and then you need to actually secure it somewhere where it'll be safe and away from the eyes of other people, so that you're able to access your crypto assets if in the event you should lose or get stolen or damaged your device. The actual 12-word seed recovery phrase is what you will use when you re-download a new application from the Exodus download site, and then you can enter because you have an existing wallet address on the blockchain that is secured through those 12-word seed phrase. You can just re-enter that seed phrase, and then it will actually download all of that information from the blockchain and repopulate your wallet with that same account. So now I'll just finish off by dropping in a short introductory video, which is about 2.5 minutes, a little bit beyond that Exodus has actually run, and that'll help bring you up to speed with where everything's at in a very short reel. So thanks very much for your time, and enjoy the rest of your day.
Hello and welcome to the new Exodus application platform. Exodus is simplifying how we interact with crypto applications so that we can all reap the rewards of decentralized finance and crypto apps without having to be blockchain geeks. No more having to download separate apps. No more visiting websites that require multiple steps just to send crypto from point A to point B. No more long user manuals or boring video tutorials. If you're still using the old Exodus layout, hop on over to settings. You'll notice a new tab labeled Apps. Get in there and flip the toggle on to unlock a new world of crypto applications. Otherwise, just click the plus sign up top to quickly add new apps. Now, there aren't many apps yet, but this is just the beginning. New apps are already being tested and redesigned to build upon the Exodus experience. Let's install these apps and take a quick peek. I'm going to click the Exodus logo in the top left-hand corner, which acts as a home button. Here we see the portfolio of our moon landing holdings. Notice the app icons at the top of the window. The first one being the portfolio, which gives you an overview of your holdings and their value, along with asset prices and other real-time market details. The second app is the wallet. This is where you can manage your crypto and do things like find your unique address, send crypto to a friend, and stake popular assets like Tezos and Cosmos so you can earn rewards and interest on your crypto holdings. The third app is the Exchange app. Exodus was built around the ability to instantly and easily exchange one asset for another with no account sign up and directly from your wallet, which means you are always in control of your assets and private keys. Next is Compound Finance, where you can earn a high interest rate on your crypto savings, deposit DAI with no limits, and withdraw anytime. Again, with Exodus, your funds are always under your control. Here we have SportX, the ultimate sports and esports betting app, where you can place instant bets on sports such as football, golf, UFC fights, and even esports like League of Legends. This happens directly from your wallet without having to sign up for an account or give up any personal information. Moving to the right, we see options to view your transaction history, the support section, which has help videos and ways to contact Exodus 24/7 support, settings where you can sync your mobile wallet or set up a Trezor hardware wallet, and the app browser. Give the new Exodus a spin, check out the new